Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to add a reference field in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 15 development tutorial. So the point that we will be discussing is about how to create a reference field in Odoo. So what we will be doing is that we will be going into the configuration, and here we have got a new menu called operation, and you can see the model is hospital dot operation, and I'll be adding a new field inside this model of type reference. So first of all, I'll go to PyCharm, and here we have the custom add-ons and OM hospital module. So I'll go to models folder and then to the operation.py file. So we will be adding a field of type reference here. So let's see how we can do that. So I'll name it as reference record. I'll name it as reference record equal to fields dot, then you have to specify a reference field dot reference. Then I'll just add a string equal to record. I'll simply add a string equal to record. Now I'll copy this field and I will add it to the corresponding view. So here we have operation view.xml, and I will add the field inside this view. So here you can see this is the form view of hospital.operation, and I have added the field here. So let's try to upgrade the module right now. So I'll just restart the service, and on trying to upgrade, most probably we will be receiving an error. So let's try to upgrade. So I'll go to the apps menu, and here you can see we are getting an error. So here you can see assertion error, field hospital dot reference record without selection. So here we have to do one thing. So let me add a thing over here. Let me add, and I'll explain it to you. So let me add it first. So I'll give hospital dot patient here, hospital dot patient, and I'll name it as host patient. So simply I have added like this. So let's restart again and let's upgrade the module. So I'll go to the UI and I'll just refresh the screen, and you can see the screen has been refreshed. Now I'll come to the apps menu and I will upgrade OM hospital module. So you can see the module is getting upgraded. And if I come to the operations and if I click on edit, you can see you have got a new field. It's like a selection field, and it's showing the patient. So if I select the patient, it will show another field where we can select the patient from the list. So if I click on search more, it will show all the records from the patient model. So here I have selected patient, so it will show all the list of patient to select from. And if I click on save, it will be showing like this. So if I go back to the PyCharm, and here you can see I have defined a list of tuple. So actually the key is selection equal to. So either you can use selection equal to and specify the tuples, that is which all models you need to select. So I have just defined hospital dot patient. Now what I'll do, I'll tell I need to select appointment also. So I'll copy these, put a comma, and specify the next model, that is hospital dot appointment. Hospital dot appointment, and I'll copy these and I'll give it as a label, appointment string record. So let's go to the UI. So before going to the UI, make sure that you restart the service, and I'll upgrade OM hospital module. So from here I'll click on upgrade button. So you can see the module is getting upgraded. And if I come back to the operations and test OP, click on edit. So here you can see currently we have selected patient and Apple, and here you can see right now appointment is also added. So if I select appointment, the field value will be getting cleared, and if I select appointment, it will show the list of appointments. Here you can see it is showing the list of appointments, and if I select patients, it will show the list of patients. So this is the working of a reference field in Odoo. That is, we can specify which all models we have to select from. So we have to specify it as a tuple over here, like selection equal to specify the model names as a tuple. So once we select the model, it will show an another field to select the record from that model. So if I select the model and if I click on save, you can see it will be getting saved like this. And if I click on that, similar to a mini to one field, we can open that record. So on clicking orange, it opened hospital dot patient. Now if I select appointment and let me set it as OP0047, save, and if you click on this, you will be redirected to the hospital dot appointment view. So this is the working of reference field in Odoo. So the reference field will store the data in the database as a string. So we know that many to one field will store data in the database as an integer, whereas a reference field will be storing the data in the database as a string. So let's go to the Postgres and see how this value is recorded in the database. So I'll go to the PyCharm and here we have the terminal. So I'll connect to Postgres, sudo su Postgres. I'll enter my password, then PSQL /c connect to DevDB database, then select star from hospital dot operation, hospital underscore operation. So let me confirm the model name. So if you check here, you can see hospital dot operation, and if I click on enter, there is a typo, hospital dot operation. You can see the reference record. So this is the newly added field and its value is coming as a string. You can see the string is model name comma record id. So if you come back here and if I change this to patient and if I select a value dragon and if I click on save and if I come back to the Postgres and if I execute the same, you can see the string has been changed to hospital dot patient. So a reference field will store the data in the database as a string, that is model name comma record id. So this is how we can add a reference field in Odoo. Fields dot reference specify the list of models that you have to select from, give a string, and in the corresponding XML you can add the view, that is in the corresponding view you can add the field. So I hope you understood the working of reference field in Odoo. If you have any doubts, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to share with us. You can directly comment right under the video or you can connect us in the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and please follow us in social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also in GitHub. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.